Imagine turning a rundown property you bought for pennies on the dollar into over $100,000 profit, even if you're a beginner. Sounds like a dream? It's not. I've helped students achieve this exact transformation, and in this video, I will show you how you can do the same. But let's be realistic. Success in real estate is not about luck or buying the first cheap property that you see. It's about having a strategy to avoid common traps and which properties can lead to significant profits or costly mistakes. Stick with me. I will show you how a retired couple turned a neglected, tax-defaulted property into a six-figure profit by following a step-by-step process. This retired couple invested $35,000 and sold for $230,000. Cheap real estate can be one man's garbage, but another man's gold. Most people walk past these cheap deals and don't realize they are passing six-figure profits. If you follow this process, you'll see exactly how this couple made a six-figure income. The truth is, cheap doesn't mean worthless. It could mean opportunity if you know where to look and what action to take. Not all cheap property is created equal, and understanding this is your first step to success in the tax-defaulted property business. Before I go into the details, I'm not a financial advisor or a real estate broker or an attorney at law. Investments do have risk. It's always wise to seek help from attorneys, financial professionals, and other qualified professionals. What if I told you it's not easy, but you could discover a solution to making a bundle of money on this video? Would you be interested? In this video, you will discover in a few hours of time and effort how to accomplish the challenge of turning real estate, which is used and abused, into shiny, good-looking, like new, fixed-up real estate with sparkling kitchen appliances and neat and tidy bathrooms and green lawns, the nicest in the neighborhood. And you could buy these properties for 30 cents to 40 cents on the dollar. These auctions happen across the nation, all 3,000 plus counties, yet many investors miss them completely. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Here's the reality. The difference between success and the struggle in this business is knowing how to avoid properties that look like bargains, but they're really traps. Television produces dozens of fixer-upper programs. It seems like there's a new one every month, and it sure looks easy. I'm here to assure you it's not. I'm about to reveal a little-known but highly lucrative market called tax-defaulted real estate. This is real estate which is sold in many instances for 60%, 70%, and even 80% below the tax-assessed value. Savvy entrepreneurs who understand property values are turning this rejected real estate from property that most consider garbage into real gold. Tax-defaulted auctions are attractive because prices are so much lower than the market for comparables. Many beginners miss the big profit because they have small budgets and little vision of what the property could be worth if brought back to the market standards. These beginners walk past the gold mine because they don't see the bargain. Let's change that. In a few minutes, you'll see how beginners, my coaching couple, who attended a Ted Thomas tax-defaulted auction preparation workshop simultaneously with their coaching program, this couple generated $100,000 profit by understanding tax-defaulted real estate auctions are a cheap way to purchase real estate if you know what you're doing. Ted Thomas is not an attorney at law or a real estate broker or a financial advisor. This information on this video is for educational purposes only. We are not investment advisors. I can tell you there's no bankers, there's no brokers, and no middlemen involved. You are purchasing directly from a local county at a public auction. Yes, there are a few rules to follow. The government has clearly outlined the process, and the program is mandated by law. It doesn't matter who you are. This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme that you see on television. This is about a strategy that savvy investors are quietly using. All 50 state governments want you to be in this business. They have structured the auction process to your advantage and benefit because the local government is mandated by law to get rid of these properties, get them off the books. A few knowledgeable investors have an advantage knowing this little-known method is available. A small amount of education, learning, and knowing how to work the system is beneficial. For example, in the state of Tennessee, there's plenty of cheap tax defaulted properties. Keep in mind, cheap to you and cheap to a competitive bidder may be altogether different numbers. Here's how it works. The state legislature in Tennessee requires property owners to pay property taxes just like the other states. If the property owner fails to pay the property tax, the county treasurer will send a legal notice to the property owner. The document is a notice of default. Most property owners react quickly and pay the back taxes. If they don't, there are consequences. A few people will not pay property tax. Maybe there's a reason, like suddenly they're unemployed or divorced, or any of the other challenges anyone faces in life. A retired Tennessee couple looking for cheap properties earned big money following my process that you're about to learn that could make you extraordinary profits. This almost unheard of government program they learned in my class is called Redeemable tax deeds. This exploded their retirement savings account. This process is available in only 6 states. If you'll pay close attention, you'll discover how this retired Tennessee couple with a small amount of patience and knowledge took advantage of the redeemable tax deed process. Bottom line, the property taxes must be paid. When they are not paid, the local treasurer will legally confiscate the property, that is, seize the property, and the treasurer is required by law to sell the property at a public auction. The starting bid is usually very close to the delinquent past due taxes. It could be as low as 10 cents or 20 cents on the dollar. The county does not want the delinquent tax defaulted real estate. The county wants tax revenue from the property taxes to pay employees, school teachers, firefighters, and the police departments. At public auctions, the properties are purchased with discounts of 60%, 70%, 80% below the tax assessed value. Of course, you're skeptical at these amazing prices. This system works because it's been tested and perfected in the trenches with real deals when big money was involved. Before the auction, the local county treasurer will have announced the auction in the newspaper and on the county website. The treasurer will have notified the property owner and have demanded payment numerous times. This public auction takes place in all 3,000 plus counties in the United States whenever a property owner fails to pay property taxes. Nationwide, treasurers employ the same process I've just mentioned. Redeemable deed means that Tennessee state law will allow up to 1 year for the delinquent property owner who lost the property at auction to come forward after the auction and redeem the property. In this instance, redeem means to recover ownership of the property. Yes, you heard me correctly. The owner gets their property returned. However, the defaulted owner must pay the successful winning bidder a return of capital of 100% of what the winning bidder paid plus 12% interest. I've tested dozens of strategies, tactics, and techniques, and I've sorted through dozens of auction lists to learn the fastest way to achieve a big payday. 99% of the property investors have no idea of what we've just discussed. The rules in other redeemable deed states are slightly different and somewhat unique. However, they are similar to Tennessee. This video isn't about buying the cheapest property at a tax defaulted auction. It's about buying the right cheap property. A low price tag doesn't equal a good deal unless you have vision, strategy, and a process all figured out. This is a business of margin. You make your money purchasing for a low price and then reselling in the open market at a higher price. That's why you need to think strategically like my students. The case study I'm revealing sounds too good to be true. I can assure you this was cheap real estate originally at the auction. In the tax deed states, you make your money when you buy at the tax defaulted auction. If you don't get this part right, you'll end up spinning your wheels and only make a fraction of the money that you deserve. The treasurer sells a redeemable deed. This allows the defaulting property owner 1 full year to recover. That is, come forward and redeem the property that they have lost to the highest bidder. Here's what happened. The couple purchased a property and they were the highest bidder at $35,000. They immediately made arrangements to have the property secured to prevent further vandalism. They were aware of the 1 year waiting period in which the defaulted owner could redeem the property. While they waited, they made arrangements with the Home Depot to purchase cabinets and other materials needed for improvements using a credit card, which Home Depot provided. No additional money out of their pocket. Weeks later, they made the same arrangement with Lowe's for kitchen appliances and other necessary mechanical things like heating and air conditioning systems. With time to spare, they cut a deal with a local roofer to install a new roof during a slow period so they could enjoy a huge discount. Finally, they used local people to bush hog and clean up the landscaping around the property while they waited for the redemption period to expire. They arranged with local people to do the future painting and cleanup. At the conclusion of 1 year, the defaulting owner did not come forward. The owner was nowhere to be found when searched. Shortly thereafter, the whole team went to work and rehabilitated the home. The ultimate sales price was $230,000, which left them, after all expenses, with more than $169,000 profit. Ted Thomas is not a real estate broker. Ted Thomas is not an attorney at law or an investment advisor. My experience at workshops caused me to tell you that a question comes up regularly. People ask, what is the single thing I should do to be successful? Here's what I've discovered. Only a few people know the secret. The secret is access to someone who has successfully navigated the purchase and resale of tax defaulted property. A coach, a mentor, could change your outcome quickly. Seek attorneys with experience and coaches who have not only purchased tax defaulted properties, but also have experience at selling. Conventional thinking tells you to make a lot of money, you need a lot of money. In this instance, the auction buyer had some money and they made arrangements to get other credit, so they kept their initial investment low. However, the ROI, the return on investment, is overwhelming. It's not always like this. If you're searching for cheap real estate, my experience reveals 20% of all tax defaulted properties are land, sometimes residential lots. At tax defaulted auctions, many of these properties sell for discounts of 70, 80, and 90%. In the next video, you'll see how one of my students turned a low-cost vacant lot from a tax defaulted auction into a highly profitable investment by becoming the banker and selling cheap property using an installment sales contract. Learn how cheap properties like this can create lasting wealth.